the motor that came in. We did a lot of work on the lower. That's why it actually came in skeg guard prop, and it wasn't running right. We started up to we put an impeller in it, checked to make sure that the impeller tube was lined up, and didn't want to run at all. He said it's never run since he's owned it. So it was a carburetor issue, and so we did a tune-up on it. And on these particular ones, there's 8 adjustment on the carburetors to get them to balance out, and it takes actually a balance meter. And you can see all 4 carburetors are now balanced, and it actually is running and idling the way it's supposed to, and pumping great water.